Here's how you can turn code into real life money. No matter what stage of the process you are at some point you're going to be able to make money with one of these side hustles. So make sure to stick around to learn which one prints the most cash. I'm going to be ranking these on a tier list from best to absolute worst. Some of these take some more upfront risk, so that's something that you have to keep in mind, which in return will probably give you more return. So keep that in mind when I'm doing this. I just want to say coding has so many opportunities for you to make money. You don't have to just have a job. You can have many side hustles that can print a lot of money. So check out my screen. Let's start. All right, so the first one that I want to talk about is creating online courses. Okay, now this is probably one of the easiest and passive ways that you can make money with your coding. Now granted, there's no such thing as real passive income because you still technically have to put in the work, but after you make the course, it's pretty much just sells itself. Now you can do these things on places like Udemy and other platforms alike. Now because of this and just how it can just continue to give you revenue, I am going to put this in the A tier list. Another way that you can make money through coding is through taking coding type surveys. Now, to be honest with you, I do not recommend this whatsoever. I don't think that it's even worth the effort or time for the money that you get out of it. You're better off learning a new language and doing something that will pay you more in the long run. So because of this, I'm going to put this in the D tier. Now, probably my favorite one so far is building a personal brand. So this is basically creating a YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, documenting your journey, all this sort of stuff. By far best option that you have. If you post on YouTube, you can make more money from the videos. You can also find very interesting ways that you can monetize your Instagram, your TikTok. This is by far the most rewarding. It can take a little while to do if you're getting the hang of your niche, and it takes a while to learn the YouTube algorithm. I started this channel just a couple of months ago and we're already close to like 50,000 views. Making YouTube videos is an evergreen thing, okay? It will never get old. Now, blogs, okay? It's no secret that blogs have been around for a very long time. Sites like Medium, one of the most popular ones, pay people for every time that their article gets a read. So if you have something interesting to say, why not give it a shot? The downside is that it might be just a little bit time consuming. You can outsource your writers, okay? So because of this, I am actually going to be putting this on the A tier list. You can get copywriters to do this for you, and if you can market this and if you have an emailing list, you can make a whole funnel to make money out of this. So because of this, I'm going to put it on the A tier list. Now for the next one, coding and creating your own APIs. This is a great side hustle. You can sell APIs on quickapi.com. If you can solve a problem with an API, you are golden and you can expect recurring revenue. A lot of companies and developers look to use APIs to use, so if yours can solve a specific problem, it's happy days putting it in the A tier. Absolutely. Now this next one is a absolute no-brainer. Now obviously you need a job in order to have some form of stability. Now with any of these side hustles, it's going to be difficult until you are fully consistent with the income. So some months it'll be good, some months it might not be so good. The good thing about having a full-time coding job is that you get income at the end of every month regardless, so it's predictable. Most of these guys are making six figures in most cases. If not, you're making just under six figures, and because of that, you're going straight into the A tier list. This next one is WordPress and Shopify themes. Okay, so this can bring in a lot of recurring revenue every month if you do updates on these themes every single month. It's just a little bit time consuming. It takes a bit out of your day to do that. So because of that, I'm putting that in the C tier. The next one, freelancing. So sites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to work from anywhere in the world. It does have a couple of downsides though. The competition is absolutely wild. To start out, you have to take low paying jobs in order to get those reviews and experience up. And once you do that, you can start charging a proper price. It's not very stable. Some months can be good, some months you might not get anything, so I'm putting this in the B tier, but it's a great thing to be able to do. The next one is a great one, and it's one that you can put on your CV as well. So this is contributing to open source projects. So a lot of people make money via sponsorships by contributing to open source projects and get sponsorships through platforms like GitHub sponsors or Patreon. Now this is a great way to step up your CV, and it shows your employer that you've contributed to real world projects. So because of this, I'm putting this again in the B tier. And last but not least, absolute banger with this one, software as a service product. The great thing about this is it has recurring revenue, and if you can solve a problem, you can potentially make a lot of money with this. There's a couple of best ways to do this. So you need to find a problem that people run into. You need to code an app that fixes this problem. You can use AI tools if you like. Keep the app simple. One feature is mostly enough to solve the problem. You're going to create a landing page with the payment processing included in that landing page. You're going to market the app on Product Hunt or Reddit, and then you're going to iterate on it and fix bugs or implement feedback to make the app better. These are just some of the ways that you can make money using side hustles. This is without including AI. I haven't even talked about AI. Let me know if you want me to make a video about that. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description. Peace out.